Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the look of your invoices in Odoo. If you want your invoices to look more professional and more aligned with your company's branding, Odoo gives you a simple way to adjust the document layout without needing any technical skills. A well-designed invoice does more than just show payment details. It also represents your business every time it reaches a customer. By customizing the layout, adding your branding elements, and organizing information clearly, you can create invoices that look more trustworthy and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find those settings and what you can customize so your invoices match the style you want. To begin, go to Settings. Once you're in the General Settings area, scroll to the Company section. This is where Odoo stores the options related to your business identity and document presentation. Take your time here, because this section is where you'll access the tools needed to control how your invoices appear when they're sent to customers or printed. This area is useful because Odoo keeps important company-related settings together, including details that affect customer-facing documents like invoices, quotations, and other reports. In the Companies section, click Configure Document Layout. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where all the visual customization happens, and it gives you a preview-driven way to update the appearance of your invoice documents. The preview feature helps you see how your changes will look before applying them. This means you can experiment with different styles, colors, and layouts without worrying about changing your invoices permanently. Inside this pop-up, you can start adjusting the layout of the invoice. Depending on the options available in your Odoo setup, you may be able to choose between different overall styles, helping you decide whether you want a more classic, modern, or clean presentation. For example, a modern layout may work better for technology companies or creative businesses, while a classic layout may be more suitable for professional services or traditional industries. You can also change the table layout, which affects how the invoice lines and item details are displayed. This is especially useful if you want the information to be easier to read for your customers. A clear table structure makes it easier for customers to understand products, quantities, prices, taxes, and totals without confusion. This can also reduce questions and improve the overall customer experience. Next, you can update the text font to better match your brand style. Choosing a suitable font helps your documents maintain a consistent appearance with your website, marketing materials, and other business communications. You'll also have the option to upload or change your company logo, which is one of the most important elements for giving your invoices a professional and recognizable look. Your logo helps customers immediately identify your business and creates a stronger connection between your brand and your documents. After that, you can adjust the colors used in the document, allowing you to bring in your brand colors in a tasteful and consistent way. When choosing colors, it's best to keep the design simple and professional. Using too many colors can make invoices harder to read, while a consistent color scheme creates a cleaner business image. You can also review and update your company details in this same area. Make sure everything shown there is accurate, since these details will appear on your invoices and other business documents. Check important information like your company name, address, contact details, and any other required business information. Incorrect details on invoices can create confusion and may affect how professional your business appears. Keeping this information clean and up-to-date helps maintain a polished presentation. Once you're happy with the changes, click Continue and then save your updates. After that, your customized invoice layout will be applied, and that's it. Before sending invoices to customers, it's always a good idea to test the new design by creating a sample invoice or reviewing a preview. This helps ensure that everything appears correctly and that your branding elements are displayed properly. You've successfully customized the look of your invoices in Odoo, making them more professional, more personalized, and more consistent with your brand. With these simple adjustments, you can create invoices that not only provide important financial information, but also strengthen your company's image every time you communicate with customers.